Brian, why? No one does that for a coworker. Ask anyone. No one does.
All right, calm down, okay?
Don't tell me to calm down.
You want to know the truth?
Yes.
Yeah, I do. I want to know the truth. Tell me now.
Okay. I've been given a name because we had like a week affair, okay? It was a week. It was only a week, and then she tried to me if I didn't, if I didn't pay her, okay?
You gotta be. Let's be true.
She was gonna post all our texts and images on social media, and I just didn't want to hurt you, okay? So
you didn't want to hurt me.
Listen, I was just paying her off, I wanted it to go away, and I'm sorry you had to find out stuff like this, but you know what, I'm kind of relieved, like now I don't have to pay her anymore.
You got all the way hustled. So wait a minute. I just want to make sure we have this right. So you had an affair with this chick Chrissy for about a week, you say.
So fling.
So then you cut it off.
Even less than a week. It was
Oh, okay, whatever.
Yeah, good.
You tried to cut it off, and she said, fine, but you have to give me money or I'm going to out you?
Yeah, because she knows how much I love my girl. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Brian, my girl thing, you missed that boat. Especially after
How much money does she want? How often does she want payments?
I mean, it's kind of varied. I mean, sometimes she wants like $200, and then it goes to like $300. I mean, I was trying to keep her happy, okay? I just wanted to keep both of you guys happy, honestly. Like,
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
I mean, dude, you were gonna run out of money at some point. I mean, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, we did you a favor.
Yeah, but it was worth it, I just wanted to keep them happy. That's it.
Yeah, you know what? You're so worth it because I just did you a huge favor. You just saved money and you lost a girlfriend all in the same day. Good job, buddy.
Wait, what?
Good job.
Don't do this.
Goodbye. I'm done with you. Goodbye.
Look, I love you, okay? I was doing this for you.
Oh, love me. Done. You're done.
I hope you like the show.
Big Bay Mornings.
We love you because we listen to you every single day, every morning.
We'll be right back.
Melissa in San Jose shot us a text this morning. She's in the middle of a 4-day juice cleanse from Squeeze.com, and she said, you guys, not only am I getting better sleep and I have more energy throughout the day, but I swear it is improving my overall mood throughout the day.
The thing that people think when they do a cleanse of any kind, they think they're going to be sluggish and tired and they can't work out. And that's not true with Squeeze. You're actually going to have more energy. You're going to be in a better mood. And that cashew milk, that is going to help you power through your workouts. So, if you want to look better and feel better, there's no reason not to get on Squeeze.com today. Use that promo code RADIO for the lowest price and free same-day delivery. And when you check out, please select Benny and Greg.
Do you think all premium fuels are the same? Well, your engine doesn't. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus helps keep your engine running like new because it's engineered to defend against 4 main engine threats: gunk, corrosion, and friction. So next time, choose Shell fuel ever. It's fuel for thought. In engines that continuously use Shell V-Power Nitro Plus premium gasoline.
Are you ready for your palm reading, my dear?
Yeah, let's do this.
I sense that you crave something.
More reliable.
Right. You know you deserve better and want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier.
You're who now?
My big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. Now I get unlimited with 5G for $30 per month on the most reliable 5G network.
Let's talk about your aura. It's so...
And get this, they can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill over T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon.
Wow, that's actually really impressive.
Yep, but you already knew that, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I definitely saw this coming.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Switch today. Xfinity Internet required. Price comparison for 2 unlimited lines under available 5G pricing plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds up to 20 gigabytes of usage per line. Most reliable based on root metrics. US report. Comcast analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data from Ookla Speed Test Intelligence Q2 2022.
Everything. Our farm, our stand, our pop-up shop. It really all started when we discovered the benefits of local, raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app. Plus, we get same-day deposits at no extra cost. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account with the essentials you need to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc., subsidiaries of JP Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
If you're anything like me, you're ready to say goodbye budget stress and hello fall style. That's why I went to Kohl's, where I not only got an extra 15% off, I also got styles from Sonoma Goods for Life for under $9, clothes for my husband from Apartment 9 at just over $10, and boots for less than $43. Or you can save more with a Kohl's card. So if you want more style and more savings, you know where to go. Select styles, 15% offer in September 25th. Limit exclusions apply. See store or Kohl's.com for details.
Ever since I got the new Galaxy Z Flip 4, I've been learning all these new tricks with my dog Finn. Like how to take the best selfies at the park. I just set my phone down, put it in flex mode, and or how to capture our training sessions for his followers. I simply wave my hand to start recording video. Good boy! Plus, the Z Flip 4 is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket.
Visit Samsung.com today to get the new Galaxy Z Flip 4.
When I wake in the morning, back to Big Bay Mornings. It's funny, and it gets me going. 99.7 now. Make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game. 'Cause we're young and we're reckless, they'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless. Your name. Cherry lips, crystal stars. I could show you incredible things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby, I'm your queen. Find out what you want. Be that girl for a month. Rate the worst is yet to come. Oh no, screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Jealousy, but you'll come back each time you leave. 'Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. Still ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game. 'Cause we're young and we're reckless, you'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Still ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. But I've got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name.
KMVQ FM, KMVQ HD1, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose.
Wake up.
Waking up.
Uh-huh.
Like, oh my God!
Wake up the right way.
It gets no better.
With Benny, Nikki, and Greg.
And she's an expert on other people's relationships, not her own.
Damn right. 99.7 now.
It is time for the BBM DM. You can slide through on Instagram at Big Bay Mornings. This morning's DM goes like this. What up, Big Bay Mornings? My wife and I had dinner with another couple in the city this past weekend. It was my wife's friend and her husband who live out of town. I've only met them one time before.
Okay.
On the drive back to their house, I was feeling super stuffed and was praying we would get there soon. My meal wasn't sitting well, and I could feel things rumbling in my gut.
Oh, no.
Then, a silent one slipped out, which relieved the pressure, but you guys, the smell was so bad. I was hoping it would just fizzle out, but my wife shot me that stern look, and my wife yelled out, I smell sewage.
Oh, my God.
Sewage. I didn't know what to do, so I just played dumb and said nothing. My wife chewed me out later and said that I should have just said sorry and rolled the window down.
Oh, no, the windows are up.
She was pissed at me, guys, but come on, I find this funny. Wouldn't most people do exactly what I did and play dumb? Would you confess?
Hell no, I'm not confessing. I'm going to roll down the window.
That is obvious. That's you confessing without confessing.
But look, you literally Dutch oven hotboxed the car. You just hotboxed your friends. Like, that is mean.
Silent but deadly, too. Those are the worst.
No. I mean, come on. If you know that it is that stanky, okay, you know what? Here. I might have to own that then, because I could not sit in the car with the windows rolled up. I would have had to have rolled down the windows. That's just rude.
No shame. I would have just been vocal from the start.
Yeah.
Like, the moment I'm feeling it, like, either drive faster or pull over at this Chick-fil-A right here because I have to use the restroom. Let it out and feel better. That's better than being in pain.
Yeah.
Just let it go.
But you're all adults. All you got to do is say, hey, I don't feel so well. I'm going to roll this window down. I'm sorry. And that's all. If you're understand. Or you could throw it back this way and just be like, whoever smelt it, dealt it. So that lady in the front.
Okay.
You're all adults, but whoever smelt it, dealt it. No, you.
And I'm sure it's because this guy didn't know them that well, so he didn't want to. He wasn't close with them.
All right, but everybody knows that
we all do it.
you put it around a bunch of people, and you just have to own it at that point.
That is the worst, though, being stuck somewhere where you can't use the restroom and you have to go, like a long car ride.
Oh.
When Vanessa and I both had food poisoning at the same time in Mexico, we were in a 45-minute cab ride in the middle of nowhere. We were, in the jungle in Puerto Vallarta, so it's not like there were restrooms along the way, and we both looking at each other like, this may happen together. We may pull a bridesmaid right here in the back of this cab. We made it, thankfully, barely, but that's the worst.
Well, then question. This was in a group of people that, they all knew each other. What if you're in an elevator?
Well, you don't say anything.
You hold it. Or you just hold it. You're talking 10 seconds, 20 seconds.
But to the person that poops in the elevator with a group of strangers, it's next level disrespectful.
Yes, 100%.
Okay, all you little pooters out there. Art.
I accidentally did that last week here. I thought I was by myself, and we were riding down to the lobby, and somebody got in on the second floor. I'm like, no, you don't want to get in here right now.
And we're on the third floor. You could have just waited. I mean, you're going down 3 levels.
I thought I was safe.
Anyway, to answer your question, DMer, we would have confessed. Yes.
You got to. Or you could just, be like Art. Whoever smelt it.
I can't believe you got the windows up, though. That's the worst. Thank you for the DM. You can slide through questions, comments, bad advice anytime on the gram at Big Bay Mornings. We're going to round of the Big Money Minute in a few. Last hour, it was a rough one. Jocelyn, the queen of passing. Can you do it? 10 questions in 60 seconds. We'll play next.
But I'm cold every season. You ain't got that tight, let him bust it till it's leak. Yeah, booty like a pillow, he can use it while he's sleeping. Look, don't be going through my phone, cause that's the only. Ain't the only one trying to be my one and only. Real big know that body like he a player, but making me cutting the whole team dead body. Looking nice. I got cake and I know he wanna slice. I push it, pull, try to put me on ice. I ain't never had to chase in my life.